Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will delve into the world of exquisite pillar designs that can transform any space into a masterpiece of architectural elegance. From classic to modern, we showcase a curated selection of stunning pillars that cater to various aesthetic and preferences. Our expert insights and visual examples will guide you through the process of selecting the perfect pillar designs to enhance the aesthetic appeal of your home or project. Whether you're seeking to create a regal atmosphere or a contemporary focal point, this video is your go to resource from timeless and captivating pillar inspiration. Don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your space with these awesome, inspiring designs. Like, share, and subscribe for more such beautiful, inspiring home improvement content. I hope you like this beautiful video. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Take care. Bye bye.